Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta RO6373. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your vacuum cleaner's cable is damaged, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to wear and tear over time, especially if the cable has been tugged or twisted frequently. If left unresolved, a damaged cable can lead to electrical hazards or further damage to your appliance, leaving you with a cleaner that simply won't work. For this repair, you'll need a few tools and materials: a screwdriver, electrical tape, a replacement cable, and a pair of wire cutters. First, ensure that the vacuum cleaner is unplugged before attempting any repairs. Then, carefully remove the screws on the back panel of the vacuum. It's important to keep track of these screws so you can replace them later. Once the panel is off, locate the damaged cable. You'll typically find it near the entry point where the cable meets the vacuum cleaner. Gently pull it away from the housing to expose the connections. You may need to disconnect a few clips or screws that hold the cable in place. Be cautious not to damage any nearby components during this process. Using the wire cutters, carefully snip the damaged section of the cable away. Now, take your replacement cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. Connect the new cable to the existing wiring by matching colors and securing them with electrical tape. Ensure that the connections are tight and secure to avoid any future issues. Once everything is connected, carefully reassemble the vacuum cleaner by replacing the back panel and securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. Before you plug it back in, double-check that everything is properly connected and that there are no loose wires. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To help prevent this issue from recurring, try to avoid yanking on the cable when unplugging it. Storing your vacuum cleaner in a way that minimizes cable stress can also prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.